What's going on, guys? KJ's here, and today I'm bringing you 3 new maps that I built in the creative mode using the new barriers in the new Fortnite update. So the first one's going to be Black Space, second one's going to be Nebula, and the third one is Purple Nebula. If you like the video or use any of these maps, please leave a like, comment, and use my code in the item shop, code KJS. So this is the Black Space map. It's just basically black with a whole bunch of stars and all that, and it's pretty nice. And this one right here is just the Nebula map. You know, all different types of colors. Looks really nice. Will look good in some clips. And this one is my favorite one so far. It's the Purple Nebula. Looks really nice. These are the map codes, the Nebula, the Purple Nebula, and the Black Space. These are their codes, and I'll also leave them in the description of the video. If you like these maps and if you use them, please use my code in the item shop. It helps a lot. Code KJS. That's all I have for you guys today. So if you like the video, please leave a like, comment, and yeah, peace.